In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Triggers navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and click on split screen. Following that, just select the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!